to each and everyone. I am delighted to welcome you all to our kindergarten graduation ceremony. Today is a special occasion as we gather to celebrate the accomplishment of our young graduates. It is heartwarming to see how fast they have grown and learned over the past year. I would like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to the dedicated teachers, staff, and parents who have supported us in every step of the way. Your guidance, patience, and encouragement have made a positive impact in our learning journey. And we are grateful for your curiosity, bravery, commitment to their success. Once again, congratulations to us, kindergarten graduates. Today is a day to celebrate our achievements. Thank you.